Hello Primary 1! Today we're going to do some Subitising. Now Wolf here has completely forgotten what Subitising is. I wonder, could you tell him? Yeah, well done. Subitising is when we recognise the numbers without counting them all. So, for example, I could hold up here and you can shout out how many? 6. Let's try another one. Yep, 1. Another one. 3. Another one here. 5. And one more. 2. Well done. I'm sure you were super Subitisers. And for a challenge, we're now going to put 2 together. So what about this one? We've got a 2 and a 1. How many altogether? Can you shout it out? Okay, let's count and check. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, let's Subitise and add some together. Okay, so we've got 3 and 2. How many altogether? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll do one more together. Okay, so we have got 6 and 1. How many altogether? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Super Subitising. Okay, we're going to jump over now and have a look at a game that we can play. You will need some dominoes for this game. You'll see I've got the ones from our pack. There's a PDF that you can print off of these, but you might have dominoes at home anyway, so you can use them. Okay, for our first game today, we've put all our dominoes in a pile. What we're going to do is take turns to pick a number out with a friend. So I'm playing with Wolf. I'm going to pick a domino and Wolf is going to pick a domino. Wolf gets this one. I'm going to get this one. And our challenge is to work out who's got the most on their domino. So we need to Subitise to add together quickly. You can probably tell how many I've got straight away. 1 and 1. And Wolf has got, yep, 3 and 4. So how many's Wolf got all together? Let's check and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So who's got the biggest number? Yes, definitely Wolf. So Wolf keeps his, that's his point, and my one goes back on the bottom of the pile. You can play the game with all the dominoes facing up if you like, or you can turn them upside down, so it's a bit of a surprise for you when you turn it over. Okay, Wolf gets to go first. 1 for Wolf and 1 for me. Who do you think's got most? Let's have a look. I have got, how many? Yep, 4 and then no more, so just 4. And Wolf has got, yep, 6 and 2. So let's count 6. And now we know it's 6, so if you like, you can just pop it in your head. 6 and count on. 7, 8. Once again, Wolf's the winner. Another point for Wolf. Now you can play this with a friend like Wolf, or you can play this with a grown-up. It's up to you. Or maybe a brother or sister. You can choose. Mine goes back on the bottom, and we'll do one more together, and then it'll be your turn. Okay, 1 for Wolf, and 1 for me. Okay, can you see who's got most already? I've got double. So, how many here? And how many here? And then how many altogether? Double 5 is 10. Let's look at Wolf. Ah, now he's got the same as me on this side. And then 2 more. How many here? And then let's count on 5, 6, 7. Good job. So I've got 10 and Wolf has got 7. So it's my turn to get a point. And Wolf's goes on the bottom of the pile. So this is a game that you can play at home. And you can play it with lots of people if you like. Then you have to just count everybody's. Or you can play it with one person like I am with Wolf. Another game you can do is to start to play dominoes. Now we are just going to do this a simple way today, but there's lots of ways that you can play this game. So the first thing you need to do is to lay all your dominoes out so that you can see them. So you want the numbers facing you. Okay, so for our game today, you can choose whichever number you want to start with. Often in dominoes we choose a double. So I am going to choose double 1, and that's going to be my first number. And then how we play dominoes is we can only match onto our number a number that's the same. So for a double 1, it's got to be a 1. So let's have a look over here. Can you spot any dominoes with a 1 on them? Yep, I can spot some up here. I'm going to go for this one. So we go over to our domino we've chosen to start, and we can attach number 1 to number 1. We can't put number 5 on here. It's got to stick to a number that's the same. So here's number 1. So now we can either put on another number 1 and put it on here, or we can attach a number 5. So let's go and have a look. Can you spot a number 5 anywhere? Oh, there's lots of number 5s. Let's go for this one here. So we come back to our domino snake that we're about to make, and we can add number 5, and it's got to stick to number 5. So we can't put it down here or on here. It's got to go onto the number. Okay, this time we are looking for a number 1, which could go on here, or a number 3. Let's have a look. Can you spy number 3? Yeah, I can too. Here we are. Now let's put this one over, and you can choose which way you put it. It can go this way, or this way, as long as it's stuck onto the number 3. So you can make your big number snake go in any direction. And what we'd love to see is how big a snake can you make? Can you use all of your dominoes, or do you get stuck? We'll do one more together, and then you can get your dominoes out and have fun playing this at home. So we are looking again for a number 1, because we can have a number coming on here at the bottom, or our number 4. Let's have a look. Oh, I can spot a double 4, so I'm going to use that one. When we put a double number on, we can stick it across the middle because both numbers are the same. So now we've still got the same choices. We can either have a 4 or a 1. I'm going to keep going and keep playing with Wolf. I hope you enjoy playing these games at home.